guys, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and in today's video I wanted to talk about a new brand that just approached me and asked if I wanted to try out some of their products. So the brand I am talking about and swatching and all the jazz today is called Laguna Moon. It is a brand that sells mostly gel polishes, but I've heard they also sell some regular polishes. I haven't seen those on their website yet, but I'm definitely going to try them, or at least take a look at them once I'm done editing this video. So I was able to try out some of the products. I could just choose whatever products I'd like. So I just chose a gel polish platinum set that contains 6 colors. I chose a set of a no wipe top coat as well as their base coat, and I also chose 2 singular gel polishes in beautiful, also like platinum metallic-y shimmery kind of colors. So the first thing that I noticed is that everything is sealed really nicely in plastic. I really love that. That way you know, like, no one has hassled with the products. They haven't been opened yet, and I really like that. I really love the packaging and the pink bottles of this top and base coat set. I really like it. And there's also a user manual in different kind of languages, which is really nice. That way you actually know how to use them. I do have to mention that it was a little bit hard for me to actually find how long you have to cure this no wipe top coat and the base coat, but I just tried them out a couple of times after I recorded this video, and I felt like going somewhere in between 30 to 60 seconds for the base and top coat to cure, of course depending on the LED light you're using, is like good enough. I would suggest if you do use a thin layer and you have like a higher watt LED light, just go for 30 seconds and you're good to go. But I really like this set. It is actually on sale at the moment, but I also have a 17% discount code, which is femke17, all capitals. So yeah, if you want to try it out, just look for it. I even have like my own personal like little page of my personal picks. So if you do like anything I'm showing here, maybe you want all of the products, I can totally understand because I fell for them as well. You can just go to the page. I will link it down below in the pinned comment as well as in the description box. So if you are curious, just check it out. Use my discount code. You're very welcome to do so. But these 2 singular polishes that I got are also packed separately. I really love the packaging though. This is like really cute, like a white box with yellow dots. So I got 2 of those, and by the way, the top and base coat contain 10 milliliters of product, and the gel polishes, like the colors, contain 8 milliliters, which is a decent like sized bottle. I don't mind that at all. But the colors have to be cured for 30 seconds each. That goes for the singular gel color polishes as well as the like platinum kit I got with the 6 colors, and those are just cured for 30 seconds. And yeah, the singular gel polishes are usually around $9, but at the moment some are in sale as well for a little less than $6, so that is a really nice deal as well. Of course, I'm going to swatch all of these, so don't worry if I'm going through this a little bit fast, maybe a little bit rambly. It's like early in the morning on a Friday. I have a lot of videos to edit for next week, so sorry if I'm a little bit rambly, but you seem to like me talking through videos like these. But yeah, back to the video. So this is the platinum kit, and there are also some questions and answers in the box itself, which is really nice because it explains so much about their product, how to use them, how to prevent like any issues from popping up, any lifting, or how you have to cure them, all that jazz. The only thing I really did notice or wanted to mention is that the bottles were stuck in that box pretty tight, and it was quite hard for me to get them out because I have like my long natural nails and I didn't want to break a nail. So I just asked my husband to get them out, and he also said they were quite like stuck in there. They were tight. But yeah, that's just something if you do get this box or any other box, they are quite stuck in the boxes, so be careful not to break a nail. You don't want that. But the platinum box is at the moment $15.99, which is really affordable. It's actually discounted from like $50, which is so nice to have a discount like that. And of course, you can just use my discount code for an additional discount. Like, who doesn't like that? But yeah, first up, I am just going to swatch all of these on my regular swatch sticks, and I just applied the base coat first, and I'm going in with the first color from the Platinum kit, which is PL001. I think these colors all have like names as well, but they aren't mentioned in the box or on the bottles itself. But I do think that if you search on like the PL001 on lagunamoon.com itself, you will be able to find the singular polishes from this kit and actually find out what their names are. But for now, I just wrote down their codes on my swatch sticks because that's what's mentioned on the bottles as well. And this first one is a beautiful silvery one. I really like it. It is perfect for the holiday season, or actually any like time year round, in my opinion. It's just a lovely silver. I would suggest adding 2 thin layers at least to make it more opaque, but of course you can also use it as like a special effect topper and just put it on top of any other gel polish color that you like. I do have to mention that I didn't have any issues with like smells or anything like that. Sometimes gel polishes can have a certain smell, especially the ones produced in China, but I didn't have any issues with the colors from this brand in particular. Also didn't have any issues with smells or like weird damps or anything like that in the base or top coat, so I'm really happy about that. Also, I just looked up to be sure there aren't any scary ingredients in here, but they are, I think, 7 or 9 free, which is really nice for a product that is this like affordable and also made in China, because I know a lot of you are really worried about all of the AliExpress, eBay gels. Like, I know that brands like Venalisa and Kani are actually like safe to use here in Europe because we have quite strict rules, but Laguna Moon is totally safe to use as well, and also they don't test on animals, so I'm really happy about that. I really don't want to support any brands that like openly or even behind closed doors test on animals. I really don't want that. But yeah, just a little extra information. The second color I just swatched was PL004, and that was more of like a dark gray gunmetal color, again beautifully opaque in just 2 coats. And this next color is PL010 or 010 if I would say. I really like this one as well. It's kind of like a soft pink color, a little bit like rose gold in my opinion, but on the cooler side of the spectrum. I really love this color, and I actually can't wait to apply this one to my own natural nails. While filming this collection and swatching and all that jazz, I only had regular nail polish on my nails. So yeah, I just got back from my 4-week Asia trip when I recorded this, like a day I think. So yeah, I just smacked on some regular polish after I removed my gel polishes that I wore for 4 weeks, and my nails were so healthy, looking so gorgeous. So yeah, gel polishes actually don't harm your nails if you apply and remove them correctly. That was just something I really wanted to put out there as well. But the next color I am swatching is PL012 or PL012, which is a beautiful medium purple. Just look at how shimmery these colors are, like they are to die for. I really love this color. It again is completely opaque in just 2 thin layers, and I do wanted to mention that they are a little bit on the thicker side. That is something that usually happens with like super shimmery metallic-y colors like this. It isn't just a brand, I've noticed it in a lot of different brands as well. So make sure to just apply thin layers, that way it cures more easily and quicker as well. And then again, you only have to cure each layer from this Laguna Moon like colored gels for 30 seconds, so that is kind of like comparable I have to say to Madam Glam as well. But the next color is a beautiful reddish tone, and this one is PL020 or 020. This is just gorgeous for the holiday season. You guys know me, usually I'm all for like pinks and purples, but this one is so gorgeous. I rarely use reds on my own nails, but I am sure I'm going to do some sort of design with this color on my own nails. I really like it. But actually the only thing I didn't try out with these gel polishes yet is how to remove them. I suppose you can just soak them off with acetone. Always make sure to first file off the top coat, because that way the acetone can really soak into the layers of colored gel and it's more easy to get rid of your manicure again once you want to switch it up. The next color I'm going to swatch is PL022 or 022, 022, whatever you want to call it. It is a really nice greenish blue, kind of like a teal color. I think this will be really beautiful for the holiday season as well, if you're not into reds that much, or silvers or golds or anything like that. I think it's a really nice color, and again, so shimmery, so beautiful, and so nicely opaque in just 2 thin coats. It's like 2 minutes and one nail is completely done with the base and top coat as well. I really love it. Again, I don't mind that there's only 8 milliliters in these bottles. It's just like a standard amount of product in my opinion. I know that Madam Glam has like 14 or 15 milliliters, which is quite a lot for a gel polish in my opinion. But yeah, 8 milliliters is pretty decent as well, and the base and top coat have 10 milliliters, which is also really nice, because those are usually the ones you have to rebuy a lot more often than the colored ones. So yeah, I'm like, so far I'm really impressed with the brand as well as price wise goes. And just look at this color. This one is PL033 by the way, which is a beautiful pinky purpley color. This is one of the singular colors, so this one doesn't come in the platinum kit, but it is a platinum color. As you can like notice by the code, they all start with PL. There are a ton of platinum colors to choose from. It was so hard for me to just choose 2 separate ones, because they were so beautiful and I love everything shiny and sparkly and I just love them so much. I'm just really excited about those. And then the last color I got is such a stunner as well. It's more of like a bright pink, like a neon Barbie pink, but platinum, metallic-y, glittery, shimmery, all that good stuff. This one is PL034, again a beautiful shade. And if you want to know any of the names of these polishes, just go to lagunamoon.com and look up the codes and you will definitely see the name or the shade names or however you want to call it. But as far as this review goes, I'm really impressed. I really love the colors. I didn't expect such nice quality actually from a brand that is quite unknown in my opinion, or at least I haven't seen much videos about them or anything like that. I do follow them on Instagram because I'm really curious with what colors they will come out like in the future. Nonetheless, I really like them. The quality is nice. The substance is a little bit thicker because they are so pigmented and packed with glitter and shimmer, but that's just something you have to get used to. Just apply thin layers and you're good to go. I really love the amount of polish that is in these bottles. I love the way they apply. I'm just really excited to actually get to know a newer brand, or at least a more unknown brand to me, as far as it goes at the moment. I'm just really excited. I love these colors. I'm just totally into bling and I think they're all really beautiful to use for the holiday season. Please let me know what color is your favorite of the ones I've swatched. Maybe you already know this brand. Let me know your thoughts. What do you think about it? Yeah, just let me know. And also, if you want to use my discount code, it's femke17. You get a 70% discount. And yeah, I really hope you liked my video. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And as usual, I hope to see you in my next video.